Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the removal and installation of mechanical seals for the Viking RTP E-Series Lobe pump. Before you begin, consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information and to ensure all maintenance steps are completed. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. Viking Pump's seal service kit contains all required parts and special tools. The following tools will be required: a socket set, torque wrench, soft-headed hammer, flathead screwdriver, P80 assembly lubricant, O-ring pick, and a pick with a hook tip. Following the safety precautions outlined in the manual, vent all the pressure inside the pump prior to removal of the front cover. Keep the pump and work area as clean as possible. Note: the best practice will always be to reinstall any component in the location from which it was removed. First, remove the 4 front cover bolts. Once the front cover is detached, remove the front cover O-ring. Remove the rotor retainers. To do so, you will need to block the rotors using the Viking Pump rotor locking tool or another suitable material such as nylon or soft wood that will prevent damage to the rotors. Do not use a metallic material to lock the rotors. Remove the rotor retainers using a 24mm combination wrench or a ratchet and socket, turning each in a counterclockwise rotation. When the retainers are removed, remove the retainer O-ring. Remove both rotors. Pull the rotary seal face, O-ring, and wave spring out from each rotor. Be careful not to allow the rotary seal faces to fall out of the rotor if tipped. Using the seal removal tool provided with the pump or a pick with a hook, pull the static seal face and O-ring from the rear of the rotor case. Lubricate the rotary seal O-ring using compatible lubricant. To install the rotary seal face, first make sure to align the sleeve drive tabs with the corresponding slots in the rotor. Install the wave spring and O-ring in each rotor. Gently press the seal face into the rotor. Apply gentle pressure on the seal holder, avoiding contact with the seal faces. Inspect the seal to ensure seal faces are clean and undamaged and that the seal is seated properly and has slight compression. Lubricate and install the static seal O-ring in the groove on the OD of the seal. Install the static seal face and O-ring into the rotor case, making sure to align the slot with the static pin. Apply gentle pressure on the seal holder, avoiding contact with the seal faces. Inspect the seal to ensure seal faces are clean and undamaged and that the seal is seated against the rotor case squarely. Install the rotors onto the shaft from which they were removed. Note that the missing spline of the rotor will need to be aligned with the missing spline of the shaft. Lubricate and install a new O-ring on the rotor retainer. Install the rotor retainers, but do not fully tighten. Block the rotors using the rotor locking tool. Torque the rotor retainers to 80 foot-pounds. Note that all torque specifications can be found within the instruction manual. Properly clean the front cover and O-ring groove. Lubricate and install a new front cover O-ring. Install the front cover and bolts. Torque the front cover bolts to 40 foot-pounds. Again, These torque specifications can be found in the instruction manual. Your Viking RTPE series Lobe pump is ready to be put back into service. Follow the suggested maintenance schedule located in the manual for a long, trouble-free service life. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.